Hi folks, welcome back. Today I'd like to show you how to extract the seeds from an okra pod. Now this is a Star of David okra pod that a friend of ours has sent us. And it occurred to me that some folks may not know how to do this because a friend of mine and I are starting a seed library at work. And I brought one to her just so she could see it, and she had never had the chance to see one before, much less extract the seeds from it. So I thought I would show you guys that today. In order to start, I take, and this is a woody pod, but it's not really hard. It's kind of flexible. So I start by going around all the openings and just kind of prying them a little bit. You can hear it cracking. And I just go all the way around like that and start opening it up slowly. If you try to pry it apart too fast, you're going to have seeds go everywhere like you just broke a necklace. But you can see the little seeds in there if you can get in close. I don't know if you can. But just keep going around little by little, pulling a little closer to the top each time. And you saw that it came apart there. And when you get started seeing that, you'll know it's time to be able to pull it all the way apart. And then those little old seeds will just roll right out of there. We commented that it makes a good shaker because you can hear them rattling around in there. But that's really all there is to it, and you just keep opening up each section and let them roll out. And once you've gone all the way around it, you've got all the okra seeds out. And then this can be put in the compost. But you know, the more I look at it, the more interesting it looks. And now I'm kind of wondering if I can find another use for these. I'll have to think on that some and see what I can come up with. They almost look like creepy fingers or claws. Or, oh, you could probably make like a sunburst or a flower out of that. I'll have to work with that later and think on that a bit. But, as you can see, we now have all the seeds out of the okra pod.